In this video, we are analysing Twitter, ticker TWTR. So firstly, why did it rally over 20% today? This is because Elon Musk has put in his offer basically once again to that $52.20 a share. So that's why we see it push straight to this level. And what you can see is this is also our second deviation on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. So not only did it come to our statistical deviation, but it also came to basically where it did once before, because obviously this is the price he's looking to buy out of. So if we continue to push up from here, our closest resistances would be 56, 59, 61 and $66 as key upper resistances. Now on the other hand, what are key supports? And then we are paying attention to 47, 45 and $43 are really going to be those key levels that we're paying attention to if we continue to sell off quite harsh, which probably won't be all that likely in the near future unless more news comes out that Elon Musk pulls out again, which wouldn't be too much of a surprise. I don't think he actually really wants to buy it. So I don't really know what's happening with all this. From what it sounds like, he doesn't really want to buy it, but he does renew his $44 billion buyout. So, I mean, I guess we'll see what happens, but let's just say I'm not super confident that this deal will actually go through. But anyway, that is the breakdown, the key support and resistances on Twitter. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.